Hi, I'm Navneet and I'm going to tell you about Amazon EC2. EC2 is short for Elastic Cloud Compute and it is a cloud computing service offered by AWS. Now, what is cloud compute? Now, cloud computing is something that a strong computing power has been extracted from somewhere around the world and that has been provided to you virtually. So if you are connected to internet, then you can access this strong computing power without the need for carrying all that hardware along with you everywhere you go. So this is the power of EC2, and it does not just provide strong computing power, but it has also certain other features that make it very approachable. So now the first factor is scalability. So if you are starting a startup and you don't want to pay upfront cost a lot and you don't have that much amount of cost with you, so what you can do is you can just start for free, build your startup, and once your startup is ready to expand, then you can scale it up as well as down. So that is the part of elastic that comes into EC2. So it makes it scalable. So you can expand the computing powers with just a click of a button. So next we have integration with other services like S3, which is the storage services, SQS, which is the querying services, SNS, which is the short form for notification services, and many such services are also provided and integrated beautifully with EC2. So next we have pay for what you use. So as stated previously, you are only paying for what you are actually using. If you are only using 2 GBs of RAM and uh, let's say 4 TBs of memory space, so you are only paying for that much amount of computer resources, not more. And that is also scalable very dynamically as your market expands and uh, shrinks down. So those resources will also dynamically update with Amazon EC2. So next we have multi-region deployment. So as you know, AWS has global centers around the world. So your business is not limited to just one space. You can have multiple centers around the world, um, which can help uh, streamline your services around the world, and you can expand your services. So it is also having a support for different operating systems, whether it is Amazon Linux, AMI, or Red Hat, or Ubuntu, or Windows servers. So when in any of the services in which we are familiar with, we can set up our servers and we can just get going on the project. So this is a very inclusive thing to have in a cloud service. So this is one specific feature that is very good for AWS. So next we have the security and compliance, which is that if you are setting up something on the cloud, then it is very prone to hacking and attacking by the hackers. So you can set up your own security rules that can help preserve your data and your security on the cloud. The security for the cloud is being maintained by the AWS. That is something you don't have to worry about, but security in the cloud is in your hands. So you have to write your own specific rules for the security, and that will secure your product the best. So thank you. And this is it for AWS. So I hope you like it.